So, engineer, i-explain niyo yung purpose ng stop log, tapos siguro explain nyo kay Mayor ano ang plano nyo sa pagre-repair ng floodgate. Kasi alam naman natin na itong stop log, ikakapit natin, temporary lang yan. Para wag mag-backflow, para naman yung mga kababayan ni Mayor dito sa Paco area, wag bahain, lalo-lalo na sa Pasko. Like ngayon, hanggang December 11, high tide. So maraming areas. Ilang barangays mo, Mayor, ang affected?
Sa buong Paco,
Sorry. So, reklamo na yung mga constituents
sa tabi ng ilog. Kasi hindi naman binabaha yun. Yung nasira yung floodgate. Ano na? 3 weeks na akong nagsasakripisyo yung mga taga-Paco.
Yes,
Maraming nakakasakit. Baka lang sakali na mapabilis ninyo.
Yes, sir. Our strategy, sir, is maglalagay po tayo ng stop log. Ang stop log po, ito yung mga steel frame na stop log na galing din po ito.
Para hindi mag-backflow.
Para hindi po mag-backflow. Ang naging dahilan po ng pagbaha kasi is kung mataas ang Pasig River, ito po pumapasok sa Paco River. Nagiging sanhi ng pagbaha. With this stop log na ilalagay po, ito po ang kumbaga magpipigil sa difference ng kanilang taas ng Pasig at ng Paco.
Gano'ng katagal dito?
Okay, sir. Ito po ay how long do we install this? From 1 week to 2 weeks. We have a plan, sir, as recommended by the consultant.
Yeah, we prepare this repair schedule. First 2 weeks is the emergency repair to prevent cat pollution from the plastic.
No, they stop at the back. Yung backflow.
Yeah.
Ilang araw yun?
Okay. How long do you intend to, or your plan to install this stop log so that the flood water will not go into the
Temporarily.
Temporary.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mayor, the temporary stop log po can be placed in 1 week. Meaning, meron na po tayo rito dalawa. We intend to place 4. Kasi po ang taas ng
But
tubig.
you already manufactured the metal.
Yes, sir.
Ready na.
Yes, sir. Nung panahon po na akala natin ay walang nangyayari, we are fabricating this in the contractor's yard.
Kasi 3 weeks ago,
That's right, sir.
pinangasabi sa
That's
akin.
right.
I went there
Yes, sir.
and I assure yung mga taga-Paco
Yes, sir.
na nakausap ko si Chairman Artes at saka si Secretary Vince na ayusin. Alam mo, hindi mo masisisi yung mga taga ron. Nagkakasakit na yung mga magkakapit-bahay. Wala namang ulan, may baha. But anyway, can you really assure the people of Manila, especially the Paco area, in 2 weeks, temporarily,
Stop log.
walang baha?
Wala pong backflow.
Walang backflow?
Yes, sir.
Hindi, ang dahilan ng baha, backflow.
Backflow, that's right, sir.
Tapos, yung damage sa floodgate naman.
Okay. Ang mechanism po ng pagpapagawa o pag-repair natin is once we put the stop log, wala na pong papasok na tubig. Kung tumaas man ang tubig ng Paco, nandiyan po ang MMDA. At a certain elevation, they will pump it out. I think 11.8 or something. Kasi yung 11.8, may mga barangay na pong binaba. 671, 672, 674. MMDA po mag-take care doon. Now, how do we take the repair? Gagawa po tayo dito sa ating pong floodgate ng tinatawag na working platform. Gaya po ng isang sirang vessel o isang barko, we need to place this on top of that. That is the methodology. Why? Kasi po nawala na po sa
Kaya muna,
angulo.
lilinawin ko lang ha. Tinanggal nyo na ba yung attitude nyo na phase 1, phase 2?
Wala na po sir. Wala sir. Wala po para dito. This is just a repair sir. This is just a repair sir. So
Hindi,
wala.
kahit repair, may phase 1, phase 2.
Then we show them the what they call this, the working platform where we need to lift this 50-ton gate, the whole of it, and place it on top.
You promise 2 weeks, no more backflow.
Yeah, we already got the permission from Manila City, so
Yeah.
hopefully they can install within 2 weeks.
No, you say promise. Because I'd rather take your promise than the old one.
I will try to support contractor.
So once once na ito po ay ma-lift sir, sa ating working platform, then ito po ay i-strengthen, patitibayin from the previous na balls lang, patitibayin natin, lalagyan natin ng mga plancha and bracing. And then once it is completely leveled and squared, then ibabagsak na ito natin ulit to restore yung ating tubig.
Pero ano yan, tatanggalin ulit yung stop plug. Kasi doon din siya mismo
Yes,
di ba?
yes sir, that's right. Once ang stop plug location po is different, from the
So hindi kailangan alisin habang kinakabit to.
That's right.
You can work separately.
Yes sir, correct. That is right.
Promise 2 weeks, ha? Yes, I'm gonna tell
2
you.
weeks stop plug sir ha.
Hindi. I'm telling you, what is important is the immediate act. The Band-Aid solution to lessen the possibility of regular daily flooding in the community is the stop plug.
Yes.
That we can assure the people of Paco in 1 week. Ma-fusion.
Yes, that's right. Tama.
Pero ngayon, kung gagawin floodgate, ilan?
For the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 months.
Yeah.
By March.
Second week of March.
Sige, ang importante lang naman kasi, alam ninyo, I would like to share it to you. Ang importante nalalaman ng tao yung period para naman may certainty. Kasi pag ganun ng araw-araw, hindi nila alam kung may mangyayari ba o wala. I promise, March, finish. 2 weeks before New Year.
No more flooding.
Hopefully, no more flooding. Because of the stop plug. Can you show me?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Mayor, habang nandito pala tayo, one is sa material recovery facility by the Unilever. Kasi ang ating pong frame kailangan makalapit.
Umayag naman ba sila?
Umayag na po sila. So as we will restore, dyan tumagal po.
Hindi, you cannot blame them. This is private.
We have to be cautious po sa
Pero ito kasi nung araw, nung nandito ang Unilever, masinop ito mag-alaga ng ilog namin dito. Itong portion na ito hanggang UN. But anyway, umayag naman na sila.
Umayag sila sir. We have a written request and they approve.
Salamat. Ingatan nyo lang yung nila.
Babalik naman nyo yan, di ba?
Yes sir, yes sir. They will restore.
Halika, sipasilip mo nga. Ayun yung ano. Nasira. Yan, talaga nasira. Hindi naman malakas yung current.
Kaya nga, nakikita na nila wala kasi CCTV. Doon lang sa loob ang CCTV, wala dito. Kung pressure lang ng tubig, ay daw. Hindi, sige, atras na lang.
Yung mga bakal yung sa install na that will serve as the working platform. Diyan po ipapasok.
Basta walang kawayan, ha?
Wala ka.
Probinsya na tayo sa may kawayan.
Arki, ha?
Yes, sir.
Kawawa naman yung mga tao. Mahirap na mamuhay na araw-araw. Basta na sa
Show the working
Pasensya na kayo. Double time. Yes, sir. Double time. May 20 ka ba? Bawat picture, bawas isang araw, ha?
Dagdag trabaho.
Halika na kayo. Good luck sa inyo.
Salamat, Mayor.
Ay, salamat sa inyo.
Unilever. Sa may